What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna get some pure RB20 DET sounds in my R32. This is my 1992 GTST Type M. I got a full Tomei exhaust catback, and I also have Tomei test pipes, so it is decatted with the full catback system. So this thing sounds super nice. So I'm gonna get the GoPro mounted on the back of the bumper here and get some really awesome RB sounds for you guys. So here's a little quick look on the Skyline. Thing is super clean. I just got it in December. Thing is awesome. It's got GTR hood, GTR grill, GTR headlights, GTR taillights, and it only has about 103,000 kilometers on it. You guys can see, yeah, 103,000 kilometers, which is about 63,000 miles, which is extremely low. This is a 30-year-old car and is so clean. But yeah, it's almost completely stock wheels, stock everything. The only thing aftermarket is basically the exhaust. I put the Tomei on, but get a better look at it here. Thing looks absolutely awesome. So yeah, let's get cleaning this back bumper so we can get this GoPro on. I can't wait to hear this thing. It's gonna sound so good. All right, so I got a portion of the bumper cleaned off. Looks really good, super clean. Now I'm gonna put on the GoPro and we're gonna switch over to that audio here in a second.
Lost into the open seas, yeah, we swim on through the heavy swell. We fall listening to hopeless deaths, but every night another.
All right, so we got it set up. Now let's switch to the GoPro footage. right, so I just looked back at the footage and holy crap, this thing sounds so good with the GoPro. This Tomei cat pipe with the Tomei test pipe sounds so good. And if I do get a downpipe as well, it'll be a full exhaust from the turbo back. So I might do that here in the future. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy it, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys have any other ideas you guys want me to do in the future. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.